In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and set up WooCommerce in WordPress. If you want to turn your WordPress website into an online store, WooCommerce is one of the most popular and beginner-friendly ways to do it. It gives you the tools to sell products, accept payments, set up shipping, and manage basic store settings, all from inside your WordPress dashboard. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the installation and initial setup process so you can get everything ready smoothly. To begin, sign in to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website's content, design, and plugins. Once you're logged in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and go to Plugins, then select Add New Plugin. This is where you can browse and install new functionality for your site. In the plugin search bar, type WooCommerce. You should see several results appear, so take a moment to find the official WooCommerce plugin. It's important to choose the correct one since this ensures you're installing the trusted version that's built specifically for WordPress stores. Once you've found the official plugin, click Install Now. WordPress will begin downloading and installing it for you automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds, depending on your hosting speed and internet connection. After the installation is complete, the button will change and you'll be able to click Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable WooCommerce on your website. As soon as it's activated, WooCommerce will typically launch its setup wizard. This wizard is designed to help you configure the core parts of your online store in a simple and guided way, which is especially helpful if this is your first time setting up e-commerce in WordPress. As you move through the setup wizard, enter your store information carefully. This includes the basic details WooCommerce needs in order to tailor the store settings to your business. Take your time here because accurate store information can help the rest of the setup process go more smoothly. Next, configure your products, payment options, shipping settings, and other basic store preferences. This stage is where you shape how your shop will actually function. For example, you'll define what you're selling, how customers will pay, and how orders will be delivered. Even if you're not ready to finalize every detail right away, setting up the basics now gives you a solid foundation to build on later. Once you complete the setup wizard, WooCommerce will be installed and ready to use. From there, you can continue customizing your store inside WordPress as needed.